Introducing the Skoda Kodiaq, the epitome of luxury, style and safety, all rolled into one stunning vehicle. With a plethora of comfort and safety features such as cruise control, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can hit the road with peace of mind. The sleek design with chrome package, spoiler and privacy glass will turn heads wherever you go. Not to mention the advanced technology, including Bluetooth phone connectivity, voice control and emergency call feature. This Skoda Kodiaq has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive in style and comfort. Drive the Skoda Kodiaq.